Thank you for tuning in to IoT Connect, where we're discussing some of the most interesting topics, trends, and news around the Internet of Things. Today, joining me is Robbie Hamlet, our CEO and founder here at Teal. And I brought Robbie onto the show today because we have some really exciting news. Robbie, tell us what we're announcing this week.
Yeah, first off, I'm happy to be here. We are super excited to announce something that is pretty game changing. You guys probably, if you follow the space, see a lot of the same acronyms shared around by a lot of companies. And you see a lot of things that look similar to other solutions that basically accomplish the same thing. We've got something, it's best and it's first in the industry. So I'm going to stop teasing the announcement here. We are bringing unlimited data plans to eSIM. What this means is that IoT applications that previously were limited by roaming or a pay per megabyte direct rate now can access a flat rate monthly subscription to get unlimited data access at a high quality at what you would see in consumer land be like a premium data type application, ultimate speed, ultimate performance, all the prioritization and latency improvements that you would see on a native profile, but in an unlimited package. So just like you get with your phone plan for consumer land, which, to date has not been eligible for IoT applications because of how enterprise solutions really can tax a network differently than a consumer solution can. We're not talking about Netflix streaming here. We're talking about video upstreaming. We're talking about surveillance cameras. We're doing things like LiDAR equipment, all kinds of cool stuff that can now be hooked up to a cellular network with an unlimited plan instead of having to worry about a pay per megabyte plan, which there's hundreds of suppliers for pay per megabyte solutions. We obviously offer pay per megabyte. That's not going anywhere because many of these networks are still going to be charged at a pay per megabyte rate. But for geographic specific applications, things that are going to stay in one place, this is a new option for them.
So I want to get into some of those applications, and you touched on video surveillance and some of these other things, but the first IoT eSIM with unlimited 5G data.
You can download it. You can delete it. You can download it again. It's a new level of flexibility that we're very excited to bring for SGP02, which is our card eSIM standard. And then in the future with SGP32, this opens a whole window for downloadable cardless kind of eSIM product. It's eSIM. Yeah. Previously you could get an unlimited plan from a carrier for an IoT application, but you had to get a plastic card. You didn't have any of the flexibility of an eSIM sleeve.
So let's get into some of these use cases, because you talked about video surveillance, this being perfect or ideal for fixed location types of applications. What are some things that come to mind as far as customers that would be looking for this type of solution?
Yeah. So like traditionally, this terminology could overlap with fixed wireless. So that's like a router in a business that is providing backup connectivity for all the people that work there, right? That is for a replacement for a broadband solution. This is really tuned for enterprise, at least our solution is really tuned for enterprise that are doing an IoT application on a device. It could be a camera, it could be a drone hub, it could be a central point of communications, it could be a retail digital signage application, any of these things that use a ton of data that need a high level of programmability that eSIM has, that previously could not do any of the eSIM stuff. They could not switch between networks. They could not load up a chip and then send it anywhere in the world and have all this optionality. Now it's just another install button that's available. And it's available in our marketplace today for all existing chips that we've issued in the last few years. So that's also very exciting.
Overcoming this lack of flexibility for specific use cases that you mentioned, what are some of the big challenges that this solution would overcome for some of our customers?
We see so many applications that they're on a pay per megabyte plan and they're paying just hundreds and hundreds of dollars per month to have that oil rig monitored, or to have that e-charging station streaming video, or having that camera hooked up streaming video back to a server. Anything in robotics is going to have some amount of computer vision if it's building on an evolving model. And this is unlocking for them an install button to do that. So before, you have to get a chip, has to be pre-baked in with this unlimited plan. Now you can go between sites that support unlimited data and sites that don't support unlimited data. Not every market in the world, not every carrier supports an unlimited data plan. This allows you to take advantage of all the ones that don't and still get access to the ones that do.
So I know a lot of people are going to wonder this. So unlimited 5G data, how much are we charging for it?
It's all you can eat, $99. There's no throttling. There's no restrictions if you're using 5G equipment. There is a 4G option too, but the networks are understandably a bit more careful about their spectrum allocation. And there are data caps on a 4G use case, typically around 300 gigabytes or so. It's a pretty healthy allotment. But if you think about just how data markets exist today in IoT, you're talking about like a penny a megabyte. That's $10 a gigabyte. Unlimited data, all you can eat for $99, delivering it to IoT applications for the first time. And for the first time over this eSIM product and over an eSIM solution, it's pretty exciting.
I, for one, I'm thrilled to help to bring this solution to market. I know that there are so many customers out there that are going to take advantage of this. It really is a first in IoT. We're the only ones that are offering this right now.
Yeah, there were so many solutions that wanted to be scalable, but they were using a consumer plan, right? They were going into their local store, their local metro store, and getting an unlimited card that was built for somebody streaming Netflix. And now they actually can bring those business models into an approved IoT application with full carrier support, right? All the performance, all the prioritization that you get when you work directly with operators through Teal.
So what are some of the limitations of these coffee shop plans that maybe there are some?
They turn you off eventually.
That's a big risk.
A super common one. Sorry to expose anybody if you're doing this, but if you are doing this, I hope it works for as long as it will. I hope your devices get removed from the field happily and they live a nice long life. But eventually people catch on to this, especially the carriers that care about how their network's being used and how their spectrum is being allocated. A lot of times people would buy like an iPad plan, like an accessory plan for your phone. T-Mobile sells a $15, I think it's T-Mobile. It's one of the big three in the US here. They sell like a $15 plan to go along with your main line. And sometimes those enterprise sales reps at the carriers get a little too greedy and they activate maybe a few thousand of those for an oil metering company. And eventually the business model is built around $15 a month. That's not sustainable for the operator. That's built and designed around consumer applications, which use spectrum in a completely different way than an IoT application would.
So this is a great way to get off those more risky consumer plans that are using them today.
Super risky. Yeah. Like I said, we're bringing them home, right? Because all these IoT applications, they were just flying under the radar, hoping not to get caught because there were no options for them, right? They needed eSIM, they needed unlimited data, and now they can actually get that, finally.
So to find out more, you can go to teal.io. There is more information on our eSIM for IoT unlimited 5G data plans under the products tab. Follow along for more updates. If you're as passionate as we are about the IoT space and connected things, be sure to like this video, click that subscribe button, and stay tuned for future episodes of IoT Connect.
Yeah, stay tuned just for updates on these carrier offerings. We're adding more and more each month, and each one is exciting and novel and opens new doors for businesses. So we couldn't be prouder of the product or more excited about where we're going.
Very exciting stuff. Robbie, thanks for being on the show today.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.